wake up and dream again. Get up, sing with me, my friend. Olivia believes in dreams. Noah lives his dreams. We are the dreamers, come along, you'll see. Wake up and dream again. Get up, sing with me, my friend. Our dreams are the world we live in. We create the dreams we believe in. We are the dreamers and we love to dream.
So much light. Oh, hi kids! From A to Z, from east to west, I'm Hannah! And welcome back to Dream Again. I'm enjoying some sunlight. Well, kind of sunlight, right? Kids, I'm not a fan of winter because there's little sunlight. Don't you agree? So I figured I'd set up a few of these lamps and enjoy sunlight. Just enjoying the sun. Only thing missing are the ocean waves. Crashing. Wait, kids! Did you know that there's another type of wave that has nothing to do with the water? No? Well, when we turn on a light just like this, there are light waves. Some light waves are visible to the human eyes, but others are not. Like ultraviolet rays, which are shorter light waves, and they are produced by the sun. We people can't see ultraviolet rays, but some insects like bees can. Unbelievable, right? Why don't we check in with Noah and Olivia and see what they can teach us about ultraviolet?
Oh, Olivia, I'm so excited we're back in our science classroom.
Oh, yay!
Because what are we doing again? Science!
Woo.
Kids, you should scream it out with us.
Yes!
One.
Science! Oh,
Well, we have to give them a countdown,
I was
right?
so excited.
I know.
Okay.
One,
1,
two,
3.
three. Science!
Science!
I heard the kids all the way into our room.
Me too. They were so loud.
They were so loud.
Wow.
Today we're going to learn about something really cool. Do you know what?
No, I don't know what. What?
You don't know what, but you helped me set all of these things up.
Oh.
You always
I
forget.
forgot.
Yeah. Okay. Well, today we're going to learn about sunlight.
Sunlight.
Yeah.
Ooh, I like sunlight.
Do you see the sun in the background there?
Yes, I do.
That's the solar system we work.
That is a solar system we worked on.
Yeah. So, the sunlight, did you know that it produced a lot of energy with many different wavelengths?
Whoa. Wow. Do you know what wavelengths are?
Well, I do, but can you explain it to the kids?
Yes. So a wavelength is like in the ocean, there are waves in the ocean you can see that lap the shore. And in the air, there are wavelengths too of light.
Yeah, exactly. But we don't see those wavelengths, right? We don't. The thing is, these wavelengths are seen as colors of the rainbow.
What?
Yeah, you know the rainbow from
my
our
goodness.
main set?
Yeah.
Those colors, those make up the wavelength.
Oh my goodness.
The red has the longest visible wavelength, and the violet is the shortest visible
So
wavelength.
it's really long and really short,
Yeah.
depending?
Yeah, and when
Wow.
all those colors are put together, they make white light.
Whoa. And is white light like the light we see right now? That's like all the light?
Exactly.
Oh, okay, so sunlight is white light.
Exactly.
That's awesome.
Pretty cool, huh?
Very cool.
So, there is one special light we want to talk about.
What one?
It's called ultraviolet light.
Oh, is that one very, very purple then?
That is very, very, very purple and is the shortest wavelength of all of the wavelength lights.
Wow.
We also call it UV, ultraviolet UV.
UV. Got it.
And did you know that it cannot be seen by the human eye?
What?
It's invisible to us.
That's crazy.
I know. However, some animals, including birds, reptiles, and insects, such as bees, can see ultraviolet.
Whoa! Is that why some animals can see in the dark?
Exactly.
Wow.
Pretty cool, huh?
I wish I could see in the dark.
I know, but we can't.
Nope, we can't.
Nope.
Oh well.
And there are many fruits, flowers, and seeds that stand out more strongly from their background in the ultraviolet wavelength.
Wow.
As they basically glow.
Oh, glow. That's cool. I like things that glow.
And that's what we're going to do today.
Oh, I remember.
Yeah, we're gonna make things glow, right?
Yes, we are. Thank you for reminding me, Noah.
So, Olivia, how about you tell the kids what they need to do this experiment at home?
So what you will need from home is an ice cube tray and 2 cups, maybe 3. Oh, and right there, that's a black light.
Which we'll talk about too, why we're using a black light. And
Yeah.
that's the whole description of this ultraviolet sunlight, blah, 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 blah,
Ooh,
blah.
very cool. And then you also need some tonic water over here and then some regular water over there.
Smart water because, kids, you're smart!
Smart scientists!
Exactly.
For science!
What do we need to do?
Okay, so we're going to take the tonic water and we're going to open it up.
What are you trying to do?
So I want to open the tonic water and put it in the ice cube tray and then I'm going to freeze it.
Ha!
Ha! What?
I came prepared.
What?
Hold on. Don't open the tonic water. Just
okay.
wait right there.
All right, I'm waiting. Waiting for Noah.
Ta-da!
Oh my goodness! Did you already make ice cubes?
I made tonic ice cubes.
Oh yay! We don't have to wait for them to freeze. That's
Exactly.
amazing. Yay! So now we're just gonna take it out and show you guys how it works. So,
Exactly. Okay, Olivia. So we poured in the water. Took out 1 ice cube tonic water. And put in tonic water in the last one.
The one closest to me is the tonic water.
Exactly.
Yep.
So, in order for us to use the black light, I have to turn off the lights in our room.
Oh, okay.
So, give me 1 moment.
Okay, one moment.
Okay, all the
I'm
lights
glad
are
you
turned
made
off.
it back. In the dark, it's hard to walk.
Yeah, I didn't fall.
Nope, I didn't hear you fall.
Okay, are you ready?
I'm ready.
So, I'm turning on the black light.
Ooh.
So, let's shine the black light onto the water.
Okay.
So, right there, we only see our
Yeah.
light.
Yep, I see the purple, but that's just because it's a UV light, so it's purple, right?
Exactly.
Yeah.
So, now, what's going to happen if we shine it on the ice cube?
Ooh, I don't know. Look at it glowing.
Pretty cool, huh?
That's amazing. Do you know why it glows?
I'm not too sure, but you'll tell us, right?
It's phosphorus.
Phosphorus?
Yeah, phosphorus means it can glow. And do you know what makes it phosphorus?
No.
Inside tonic water, there's a mineral called quinine. Yep.
Quinine.
Yep, and that's phosphorus. And so with the UV light, it glows.
And that cumi blah 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 is
Quinine.
not it's not in the water.
Nope, it's not in the regular water, but
That's why it doesn't glow. Because
Nope.
right now I'm shining it on there, but it doesn't glow.
it doesn't glow at all. We should
There it
try.
goes.
Let's try the other water, the tonic water.
So, if it doesn't shine on the water, but it shines on the tonic ice cube, kids, what do you think will happen next? Do you think it's going to shine on the tonic water that's not frozen?
I think it's gonna.
Because it has
Quinine.
quinine in there. Okay, so let's check it out.
Let's see.
I can see it glow.
Ooh, yeah, it
Whoa!
glows. Wow.
Wow, look at that. It glows just like the ice cube. So,
That's so cool.
tonic water, warm,
Yep.
and ice cube tonic water,
Yeah.
they both glow.
They both glow. I do actually think the ice cube does glow a little bit more though, huh?
It does glow more.
Yeah,
Well.
Noah.
Did you enjoy this experiment?
I really enjoyed this experiment.
Well, kids, I hope you learned something new today.
And had a lot of fun, and maybe you'll get to have a glowing ice cube sometime too.
Exactly. You can definitely do this at home, and it'll be a lot of fun to do it and to show it off to your mom or dad, right?
Yep. Or your friends. If you have a birthday party, you could show this in your drinks and then show the black light on it with your mom or dad showing you and helping you.
Yeah, that would be pretty cool.
That'd be very cool.
Well, that was sure an interesting experiment. I guess it's time to enjoy a cool glowing drink. Nah, I want to rest some more and enjoy the sun. I'll see you next time, kids. Bye!
Hi there! If you like what you see on Dream Again, please make sure to hit the subscribe button, like us. Thanks!